Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Subnautica 2 and the game is not opening, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Subnautica 2 not opening on your computer easily. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to make sure that your graphic card's drivers are fully up to date. So you're going to open up your web browser here and then I'm going to show you NVIDIA first and then I'll show you AMD and Intel. Click on to drivers here. You're going to fill in this manual driver search form here. So select your graphics card along with your model and then your operating system. You're just going to click find here then and then it will find you the latest GeForce game ready drivers for your graphics card and then you're going to install those drivers on your computer. Now on to AMD. You're going to click on to resources and support. Click drivers. Select your graphics card and then select your graphics card series along with the model. Click submit then. And so this fix is only for AMD, but what you're going to do here is you're going to download the latest AMD Adrenalin 26.5.2 drivers on your computer and install them. And then you can try and check if that fixes your issue. If it doesn't, then the next thing you can try to do is you're just going to come back here, click on to previous versions, and then you're going to go ahead and download the second last version. So you're going to download 26.3.1 here. These drivers are more stable than the latest ones on some graphic cards. So just try to play with these drivers. And now on to Intel, go into intel.com, click on to support here then, click download center, and then you're going to select graphics here. You're going to search for your graphics card then, and then you're going to download the latest Intel Arc drivers on your computer. After that, you're going to restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now you're going to open up your games platform, and then you're going to right click on Subnautica 2, go into properties, go into install files, and then click verify integrity of game files here. And once you do that, it will verify your game's files, and if it finds any corrupt files, it will re-download those files for you and your game will be fixed now. Now you can go ahead and try to play Subnautica 2 and you'll see that your game will now open. You'll not face those opening problems anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.